aggressive backhand, because not everyone can do that, but there's a lot of powerful players out there. Nice flick from Simon. Struggling. Wow. Ooh. Darko Jorgic. He's not afraid to show when he's miffed with himself. And he's been dismantled in this first game by Simon Gauzy. It's 3-10. Very strong game. Impressive percentage, actually. Darko Jorgic. Surprising. Loop to loop. Ooh. Yeah, well played. It's an F. For Darko. That's a brilliant response from great forehand. Whoa! Where he reached the quarterfinal and lost to Lim Winru. Brun brothers. Maybe we will see a Fan Zhendong, Lin Shidong. Not going to be easy. And tight backspin with the backhand. Ooh. Right. In table tennis, you can't do that. Fanning backhand from Gauzy. Looping, blocking, Jorgic. Oh! But that time he does short backspin and it surprises Darko. Oh, and will he do it again after the let? Oh! Oh! On my feet, applauding, because although you got a bit of fortune there, Darko, it was very commendable. 9-10. Oh, that Jorgic leads 2-1. That's top. Oh, oh, that's so silly from. Why has he done that? Being the talent, is he getting a bit heated? Needed to calm down. And mentality at times. Talents often are like that. I mean, look at Nick Kyrgios in tennis. I'm not saying that Gauzy behaves like Kyrgios. Possible in a match. And it is good for the sport. It attracts attention. So, like. Well, there we have it. Point. Backhand serving again. And it kicked. Brilliant. That's Jorgic's breath to push, in my opinion. How it operates, not how it looks. Met in the leagues before, but never an international stage. Level thing. Who couldn't diffuse their anger. Still in it. Still take it to a decider. Wow. Oh, top edge of Jorgic's forehand, but man. Moment of the previous point, I think, Gauzy. Oh. That's very good play. Oh, yeah. And a nice drop shot to finish there. Gauzy. Held back for about 2 minutes, just flies forward. Poor receive. Jorgic is somehow still in it. Oh. That's excellent play. Maybe not that one. Chasing for. It's good placement from Darko. Tended to put it there, but I'm not sure. Have to watch that one back. Oh, that forces an immediate error. He's done well there with the shovel serve. Oh, goes for the pendulum early on in his rally by his receive. And he does it. In their first international meeting, it is the defending champion, Darko Jorgic, that overcomes the charismatic Frenchman